What's up, everybody? This is Tim with Country Guitar Lessons. Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you guys a brand new song from Kane Brown. I think this song's only been released like just 2 or 3 days maybe. But it's a really cool song. It's really catchy and, it's really easy. So I know you guys are really going to love that.
Hey guys, so the song actually only has 3 chords. And for those 3 chords, you're going to play an E minor, you're going to play a D major, and you're going to play what is called a C/G major chord. And if anybody needs any information on any of those chords, I will place a chord chart in the description below. I think you guys seeing the chord chart will make it a whole lot easier to figure out what I'm actually playing, rather than me trying to sit here and show you in a camera and you trying to see it on your smartphone or your computer. So I think that's going to help you guys out.
If you don't know how to read a chord chart, just let me know. I'll make a quick video on how to read chord charts. There's not anything to it. It's super easy. So with that being said, there's pretty much 4 parts to this song. All of them use the same chords. A couple of them change variations a little bit in the way that it's actually played. So the intro, the verse, there's a little part between the verse and the chorus, and then you've got your chorus, and then those same 4 parts repeat throughout the song. So for your intro, you're going to play that E minor, the D, and the C/G major chord, but you're just going to let it ring out for 2 measures. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to go into that E minor. Okay, so for the verse, you're going to play those same 4 chords, but he's just going to kind of strum it out a little bit. It's not much different at all. So and that's it for the verse. Now that little part between the verse and the chorus where he talks about "you hopped in my Bronco," it goes like this. Okay, now once you get through that part, you're ready to hit the chorus full force. So the chorus is actually a little bit different. The chorus, you're actually going to strum it out a little bit, and it's a little bit faster. So for the chorus, it's going to be, your love is like a rodeo, trying to see how far we go, and after one touch, become obsessed with the rush. Yeah, your love is like a rodeo, and I just want to steal the show. We might if we fall, but we keep holding on. Your love is like a rodeo, 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 rodeo. Your love is like a rodeo, 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 rodeo. And then it starts back, it goes right back into the verse. Okay, so that's pretty much all the parts to the song. Now what I want to do is just kind of run through the way that the song is actually structured from beginning to end, so that everybody will know, when I get to this part, I need to play this part. So basically, you're going to go through the intro twice. Then you're going to go into the verse. You're going to play that guitar part twice. Then it goes into the part where he talks about the Bronco. You're going to play that part twice. You're going to go into the chorus. You're going to play the chorus 1 time. After the chorus, he goes directly back into the verse. Once he gets through the verse that time, he goes back into the chorus once again. Plays it 1 time. And then after that chorus, he goes back into the part where he talks about the Bronco again, plays the part with the Bronco 2 times, and then plays through the chorus 1 more time, and then that's pretty much where the song ends. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy my lesson. Hopefully that you can, kind of follow along with me throughout the video and the first part of this thing and really figure out how it's played. Guys, leave me some comments down below. Let me know things I could improve on, questions that you guys have. I love answering questions. I love feedback. Don't care if it's good or bad. I'm fine with either. Anyway, if you like what you saw, guys, make sure and please hit that like button and subscribe if you like what you see. Make sure you hit that bell, though, so you get all notifications next time I upload a new video. So that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next guitar lesson, and I'm out. Later.